Hello everybody, today we're just going to do a simple while loop example. So I'm going to set the number here to 0. Okay, so while number is less than 15. Okay, so we're going to do something while the number is less than 15. And we're going to print out a message. Print number is less than 15. Okay. Number is less than 15. So number is equal to number plus 1. So we're just going to do number is equal to number plus 1. Okay, so here comes the conditional. If number is equal to 15, when we reach the number 15, we do something. We print out a message. Have reached 15, and this is where the loop is going to stop, because it's executed its code and it's looped over the numbers until it's reached 15. So I'm going to tell it to break. So we're going to break out of the code. Okay, I'm going to run this now. So let's have a look at this. There we go. Number is less than 15. Number is less than 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then when it reaches the number 15, it will print that out for you. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So remember to give it a big like. And please do consider subscribing to the channel. It will really help me out, and I'll be producing lots and lots more videos, code examples for you, and I hope you like them and I hope it helps you. And I will catch you in another video.